I'm gonna hit this.
If that was standing up,
No.
dude.
No. We gotta watch out for the gators. Oh, there he is. There he is. You see him?
Oh yeah, that's not the one you can hear though.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to go in there and get that tree if you could, please.
Okay, I got you.
I would, but you know, situations keeping me from doing.
All right, now, while he's looking away, go. Go.
He's on me. He's like, I don't like what.
Oh, he just hit saying he's coming at.
All right, guys, we're here, and today we're gonna be removing these trees, and we're here at the alligator farm. It's gonna be really awesome. So here at the alligator farm, they called us out because they want us to remove some bald cypresses that are over their awning, and typically they'll have animals in the pen, and they put them up for us to be able to take this tree down. But here. This is what we're looking at. We got a bald cypress right here. It's got to come out. You know, it's not that big. But yeah, it should come down without a hitch. Next tree we got is this one right here. Some sweetgums. Go ahead, take these bad boys out. Other tree companies couldn't bring their bucket trucks in because they were too big, so we had to bring our small one in here and get it done. I wasn't sure we didn't have to bring a climber, but I think we can do it, so we're gonna knock it out here. What's up, buddy? Where? And we just got all these buddies. They're just hanging out, man. So we're gonna have to watch out for them. What's up, dude? That's pretty much it. We'll knock it out pretty quick, so not too stressed about it. Anyway, let's get into the video, guys. So we're here in the main pen. This is in Grand Saline, Texas, is where we're doing this job.
You had to put the baboons up first to get over here.
There he is. What's up, home slice? Next trees they want taken out.
There's a couple. You can see those two over there.
They want these trees taken out right here. They want this all taken out. We gotta watch out for the gators. So we're gonna have to get in here and we're gonna have to get that down. Oh, there he is. There he is. You see him?
Oh yeah, that's not the one you can hear though. The one you can hear is a lot bigger than that.
See him? Yeah, I'm gonna need you to go in there and get that tree if you could, please.
Okay, I got you.
All right. I would, but you know, situations keeping me from doing it. Let's go find the big boys.
I saw a water fountain and thought it was bubbles from a gator coming out.
One of them. That's a small one.
He's small, just fat. Yeah. I'd be careful on this wood. It does not look the safest. If I fall in, save me, Nick.
Oh, dude, look at the size of that dude.
He's pretty big.
Yeah, I'm gonna need you to get that tree, man.
That tree?
Yeah, we need you to get this tree.
Mind if I just stand on that guy to do it?
Mm-mm. Yeah.
I can do that.
Can you climb that?
I can climb it.
You can climb it. Hey, you just gotta watch out for that homeboy.
Nah, he's a friend.
Yeah, we're homies.
Call him Amos. The other one's Moses.
All right, we've got it trimmed up a little bit, just above the roof line. We're having a hard time getting good access. As we cut all these limbs, he wants us to drag them and stack them right there, which is good for us because it keeps them out of the way. What's up, homie? Here. Get it. You got it? I got it. Here. What? Dude, you're big. Sorry. I love animals. My mama said they're the only things as dumb as I am. They might we get along so well. He's gonna cut this out. I guarantee you, like, these are originally 2 trees that grew together here at the root ball. But I'll bet you this is a seed that fell in the crack in between them and grew. And so you've got this whole shebang you got going on right now. Like, look at this too, see? Something trying to come on up out there. It's a sweet gum tree. I'm gonna send this trunk, like, just missing that roof. And they're right up in there. You see this knot?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that tree right here, in between these 2 knots. I'm gonna hit this.
Okay, but you gotta hit it with the center. Wait, when we'll get it on video.
Right there.
Okay. All right. Sir, you missed.
I got it.
No, you did not. That was it was laying down. It was laying down. It hit right there.
That's where the
If that was standing up,
No.
dude,
no.
dude,
It was
if
laying
that was
down.
standing up, that thing got smacked. And yes,
This man
it did.
lost a bet.
Yeah, landed right to the right of it.
And can't hold up his hand. You lost that bet.
Hey,
You feeling it?
everybody in the comments
Yes.
section, let me know. Does this count? Did I hit my spot? Because I think I did.
He had to hit right here.
Well, we're talking where the tree landed, but you actually landed it right here.
Technically, it
The
landed.
base, so the knot of the tree hit this. That means the log was this big, which means I hit the stick.
No, you didn't.
Here, because you're
Yes, because the knot that hit it, the diameter covered it. I saw that thing move, which means I hit it. I saw the stick move.
You want to stop the video? We can look at it.
I believe I hit it.
Watch the replay.
We can look at.
So,
I think
We
you
can
hit
watch
me
it.
oh,
down.
y'all owe me $10?
No,
No,
I didn't make that bet. That was
was
on
that bet.
Canyon.
no, it wasn't.
I hit it.
No.
I get 10
Hey,
bucks
we
for
got it on
everybody.
video.
I miss it. I buy everybody lunch.
We got it on video. So that was not the
Y'all
deal.
let me know because I think I hit it.
If we take out the 2 stumps right there, we probably have room to get the bucket truck in between that pole and that tree, so that you can get higher up on the tree,
can get straight up on the tree.
rather than using 10 of your 35 foot just to get to the tree.
Waka waka. Hey,
Move the blade. This is a pretty tight spot that we're in. We're pretty close over here. Muffler actually touched, coming up on over here. Not bad though. And then we are had to go over that stump. So
Because it's a better design.
pretty tight spot to work in.
All right, so we got the tree down. This thing been whooping our butt, but the customer just wanted it left here in the alleyway. Started at 9 o'clock this morning, and now it's 3:07. So we've been at it pretty much all day. 4 trees. This one's the worst. We saved the worst one for last. All right.
How much money you want to put on this bet?
Yeah, I'm gonna hit this pile.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna hit this pile.
I'll put $1 million that you do.
You look so. All right, now, while he's looking away, go. Go.
Dude, he's on me. he's like, I don't like what
Oh, he just hit saying he's coming at you.
Alright, cool. We got the job done, guys. Took all day. We started at 9 and now it's 3:30. So, anyway, fun day at the zoo. If you want to see more content like this, like and subscribe, comment down below. What was your favorite part of the video? If you made it to the end, I want you to comment tortoise. Okay, so just do that for fun. But anyway, guys, till next time, we out.